Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Cheddar Ranch Dip. All right, to a bowl, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And then we're going to add 16 ounces of sour cream. And then we want to add 6 ounces of cooked bacon. That, of course, has been chopped up. And last but not least, a pack of ranch seasoning. And again, this is the type of dish absolutely anyone can make it. This is super, super easy. Because the last thing we got to do is just grab a spoon and start mixing everything together. And then you just want to let it chill out in the fridge for at least an hour, but up to overnight before you use it. It's perfect with crackers. I serve this with Ritz crackers. So yeah, it's a perfect little dish when you're having people coming over. It's a delicious dip. Like I said, perfect for your Christmas party or your Christmas office potluck. So yeah, Cheddar Ranch Dip. Done.